In this video, I'm going to look at the drill down facilities in trading analysis for UniTrade 360. I've started off with a blank 2-year sales analysis, and I'm going to start off by adding in a measure. So we're going to look at sales value on this case, so I drag that into the data area. That shows me the total sales for the business over the last 2 years. I might then want to start to split that down, so if I look under the customer group, I can start to split by something like account type. So dropping that into the row area splits that sales into account sales and cash sales. If within that I wanted to do something like product analysis, for example, I can find the product analysis and I can add that in underneath the account sales by just dragging and dropping. And you'll see they now get a plus against them, which means I can open up the account sales. Within that, I get the categories. Within the categories, I get the groups. Within the groups, I get the individual subgroups. And then within that, individual products. With that, I can now see the sales total down there. The drill down then goes a step further. Where you see any total, you can double click on that cell. And that then goes into the database and brings up a listing of all of the individual order lines that make up that total. If I expand that grid, you can see the individual order numbers, who the customer is, the branches that have been making the sale, things like sales values. You can sort by any of the totals here, so I can sort by sales value, I can sort by margin, I can see things like order status in there. And if I scroll across, by clicking on the silver bit at the end here, I can highlight a whole line, and double clicking on it will open up the individual order that that particular line relates to. So I can see the order, and from there I can use next action to go and process that order further or copy it, whatever may be required.